Oh, well, I see you, but I don't see myself, but it's okay. Good, good. How are you doing? Mm-hmm. Hmm. Right. Well, actually, 2 years ago, I started with some cables, and we did it on the internet. Um, then we started to start our own website because it went very well, and well, that's how we got started. It started really small. Well, actually, we were just an audio tech. We worked for rock concerts and stuff like that. So that's how we got involved. Uh, I didn't get that. Sorry. Oh yeah, totally. Currently, there is some recession going on, but not here. Nope. True. Well, yeah, you just contact us, and yeah, that's how we got involved. And actually, it's for us, it's quite a simple connection, but well, yeah, still. Well, depends about 5 to 10 minutes. Absolutely. Um, Depends. Mostly when you buy, of course, more, can get some discount. The most cables are for guitarists and with special systems and other stuff. Um, we make some big systems as well. Then you can think of for the big concerts, the thick cables runs from the stage to the mixing console. Uh, a system like that takes about 3 weeks to build and to think out, and especially because people are coming to our place for really special needs. Sometimes it takes some more time to assemble it and to think about how it's gonna work and what's the best way to put it together. It's I'm the owner. We don't have personnel yet, but we think that we're gonna grow really fast coming 2 years. My wife is gonna accompany me for the administration and web design, and we're already looking around for some qualified personnel. I think what really is the strength of our company is that we really make cables custom. So it doesn't matter if you want to have 27 centimeters, we'll cut it for you. We make it for you. It's right size what you want. And in the beginning, no. In the end, yes, it will. Because when you just want to order some cables from another company, they always say just take 1 meter, 3 meters, 5 meters, 7 meters, 10 meters. There you go. And actually, it doesn't matter what we cut off the roll, because you get 100 meters on a roll, but there's never 100 meters on a roll. It's not rocket science. So it doesn't matter if we have some little piece as a rest over, because we're going to use it anyways somewhere else. So that's how we work, and it works pretty fine. I, I was a musician. I was a drummer, and that was before I got involved in audio engineering. And yeah, I love music. Sure. You wanna do it right now? Cool. I'm a Versloot from the Netherlands. I the owner of yourcustomcable.com, and as the name itself it says, we make custom cables right from the centimeters. Whatever you want, we make it custom for you. Absolutely. Actually, I heard the recordings. A guy sent it me, and I was really impressed about the quality. Of course. Did you found any problems connecting the your Rode to the iPhone? Right. Mm-hmm. That's weird. I think why? Because if you when you get your iPhone, you get that headset with it as well, and there are two buttons on it for volume and go and skip to the next number. So when you unplug it, there's still some current on the plug, and then it generates that you start the music. So if you take your Rode off, your microphone first, and then unplug the 4-pin connector, that should stop it. Actually, we're gonna try it. A guy came with exactly the same question. Yeah, true. Right. The only problem, the only problem we are encountering is that the plug is too small to put something inside. But we're gonna make a really small cable on it with a contra jack, so you can plug your headphones in. But we don't know if it works because we don't know if there's any signal from Audioboo on the plug. Hmm. It should work, but it should. Mhm. Mhm. Right. Actually, we can really easy because if you use Audioboo with the internal mic of the iPhone and you put your headsets in, if you hear yourself, then it's working. Because then you know that Audioboo is passing through the audio through the 4-pin connector. Oh, it's just for afterwards. Right, right. Okay. Mm-hmm. Oh, there you go. Mm-hmm. All right. Mm-hmm. Hmm. All right. Sure. Hmm. Good. Very good. So you actually wanted to have 5 more sets of those cables? Uh, mm-hmm. Sure. Is that enough for your 5 boxes? Is that enough for? Mm-hmm. 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 Yeah. Hmm. Sure. Hmm. Hmm. Very nice. Yeah, I see it. Yeah, very nice. Yes. I really love the concept. Yeah, very cool. No, thanks. Cool. If you need any more, just send us a mail and we'll provide. All right. See you soon. Cheers.